So I went to town, had to go to town for some stuff, and I decided to go ahead and pick one of these up and just see how well it does. I can use it for many things, but at least I got I'll have a, if it works, it'll be better. Comes with a striker, which is nice. They're bound and determined to make you read stuff anymore. Gosh. Give this thing a shot, see how it does. I can tell you right now, that sucks. Well, the antique one burnt better than this. This absolutely is the worst thing I've ever seen. It won't stay lit. you can't really turn up the heat any. Yeah, if this thing don't work any better than that, that's a waste of money. Just absolutely crazy. That would be what I expect all the time. Not just this little drizzle burn. I would expect like an inferno like it's supposed to be. So whatever was wrong with it is working now. So it's working better now. I'm not sure what I've done different, why it's working better. It's just working better, and I'm glad, because now with a burner like that, it will not take near as long to burn these. So I gotta go get some squirt bottle and squirt this out. So I wanted to revisit this. It's been a day or two since I used it, and you'll get to see it on my shou band and my opinions on it. When I first started using it, I don't know if it was my tank, the valve, or what. I've wiggled this. I took the fitting out, put it back in, off and on, back and forth, kept fighting with it all during the video, and I never could get it to go. And then all of a sudden, with twisting this valve, turning this off and on, taking this in and out, putting it back in, opening the valve back up, opening the valve back up here, it finally burnt like it was supposed to. It made a freaking inferno like it was supposed to. My only complaint about this is it will not stay lit unless this is pressed down, and I do not care for that. And it kind of aggravates me that it won't stay lit and you got to light it every time. I know it's probably a safety feature. Somebody falls or something, that way they ain't getting burnt, but everything I've used it on now has worked, and it's worked right. And it really makes burning the wood a lot quicker because of the heat that's in it. I like it. I highly recommend it if you're going to be doing a lot of burning, and if you need something that's really, really hot, this will do it. Like I said, the only drawback to it is it just will not stay lit unless this is depressed, and it's probably a safety feature. And it don't seem to use a lot of fuel, which is good. It seems like it would, but so far, all the burning I did, I haven't even used up this tank. And it was partially used up on other projects anyway, so I hope this is informative. I hope it helps you out, and whether or not to purchase this. The other little weed burners that I've had just do not do the job that what this will do. And even though my map torch works good for some things, with the propane, it wasn't fast enough for me to do my shou band. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and hopefully we'll see you guys on the next one.